So you're looking to master potato wedges in an air fryer? I've got you. This recipe changed the game for me. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, but better than deep fried because it's healthier. Let's dive in. First, start with your potatoes. Russets work best because they're starchy, but Yukon Golds will do in a pinch. Slice them into wedges about 1/2 inch thick. Too thin and they won't crisp, too thick and they'll take forever to cook. Here's the secret to next-level wedges. Soak them in cold water for 30 minutes. This gets rid of excess starch, which is the enemy of crispiness. Trust me, skipping this step is where most amateur air fryer mistakes happen. While your wedges are soaking, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Yeah, preheating isn't optional. Starting cold means uneven cooking, and no one wants potato wedges that are half soggy, half charred. Dry the wedges obsessively after soaking. Seriously, use a kitchen towel and pat them down. Water and oil don't mix, and excess moisture will kill your crisp factor. This step alone can boost your success by at least 40%. Now for the seasoning mix. I go with a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon each of garlic powder, paprika, and salt, plus 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Pro tip, add a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little kick. Coat the wedges in your seasoning mix. Use your hands to ensure every single wedge is covered. Don't just toss and hope for the best. Evenly coated wedges are what separate great ones from mediocre attempts. Spread the wedges in a single layer in the air fryer basket. This part is crucial. If they overlap, they'll steam instead of crisp. If you're feeding a crowd, cook in batches. Patience pays off here. Cook for 15 minutes, flipping the wedges halfway through. Don't skip the flip. That mid-cycle rotation ensures both sides get crispy. This is where many air fryer newbies mess up, with uneven texture that betrays their lack of effort. When the timer dings, check for that golden brown perfection. If they're not ready, give them another 3 to 5 minutes. Every air fryer is slightly different, so don't rely purely on timing. Use your eyes and gut instinct. Serve immediately. I'm talking right out of the air fryer and onto the plate. They lose their crisp really fast. Pair them with ketchup, ranch, or even garlic aioli if you're feeling fancy. Thank me later. Cleaning the air fryer? Ugh, I feel your pain. But if you line the basket with parchment paper or foil first, it cuts your scrubbing time in half. That's not a tip. It's a lifesaver.